Hi everyone, today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 smartphone, and in this video I would like to share the top 3 applications for this device. So the first app is called WTMP, which stands for short for Who Touched My Phone. This app, once active, imperceptibly takes pictures, photos from the selfie camera of your device each time the screen of your smartphone gets unlocked, or even if there is an unsuccessful unlocked attempt as well. Therefore, it allows you to monitor whether somebody tried to access try to gain an unauthorized access to your Black Shark 5, or whether the attempt was successful or not. So let's go ahead, launch the WTMP as well as set this application up. Here, in order for it to be activated, turn on this gray power button. While launching it for the first time, it is required that we grant all necessary permissions to the app. In here, the battery usage is already granted, so let's get back to the app. The last thing that we need to allow WTMP access to is the permit usage access. Point out that we are aware of all possible risks. Wait until this OK button gets active and confirm. Now, once we get back to the app itself, we'll see that this gray button turned green. Therefore, the WTMP app has been successfully switched on. So let's test the application out. As you can see, the two entries have been created. The one containing the picture from the fact that the screen has not been unlocked, and the other contains the photo from the successful device display unlock attempt. Alrighty, so moving on to the next tab, that is called Unseen. This application allows you to connect a very well-known chat apps to it and get all the messages forwarded to the Unseen. Therefore, from the Unseen you will be able to read those messages without putting them into the red status. So in here there is the core of 3 mandatory apps, which are Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp and Instagram, and there are quite a few apps that you can optionally add or skip. The last thing that we need to do in order to start using the app is to grant it the device and app notifications access, which I'll do just now. Alrighty, and now once we get back to the Unseen app, as you can see, it is now active. So the first tab of this application will contain all the messages from all across the chat apps that you have linked to the Unseen, and then you have the separate section for each one of the binded messengers. So the first one is for Facebook, the next one is for WhatsApp, and the final one is for Instagram. Alrighty, so the third and last tab for this video is called Stick Around. It's a very simple yet useful application that allows you to check whether any particular movie has any hidden scenes, either after or during the credits. So the first section, as you can see, it is called In Theaters. It shows you the list of currently running movies, which you can check whether they have any hidden scenes or not. So let's say I want to check the Doctor Strange. Obviously it does have after and during the credit hidden scenes. When it comes to the Gray Man, as you can see, no hidden scenes are present, so as soon as the movie itself ends and the credits roll out, you can leave the movie theater at this very moment. And the second section that this application has is called Search. In here you can search for basically any movie that you'd like to watch, even if the movie is old. As you can see, it even has the 1984 Dune in its database, but I'll myself check the 2021 film. As you can see, it does not have any hidden scenes. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.